Why can't it just be your right to learn in free learning spaces,
This is unacceptable. It's how do you stop it in reality and getting that done? Because you can have a seat on the school board, but you're still a minority voice a lot of times.
Also, Tony shared, again, I think this is really important too. We have to remember that an educator or teacher is still human. They have their own trauma that they come with and their own biases. Not an excuse, right, for bad behavior, but I see this too often. Like, we roboticize teachers and we completely don't see them as humans. They're just there to give instructions. That's how the parents oftentimes see them, not all of them, right? And then students oftentimes, like, if we're real about it, think of their it's hard for students to see their teachers as a human as well sometimes, right? So that's why it's important that when you're in the classroom with your young people, that you have to get to know each other first, so that the learning environment can be as pleasant as possible, right, in your specific classroom space.
It makes me sad. And also there's like so much that needs to be fixed. I think this is like one of the bigger questions of like when every single part of a system needs to be fixed, like where do you actually start?